see you today. Okay, today I am bring you come to see our amusement rides manufacture, including material, production, and technology. And for more details, please follow us. Yay!
Hello everyone, this is Sarah. First up, I will introduce you the material of our amusement ride. Firstly, you can see above me is the same material of our amusement ride. When we firstly buy the material and we see, firstly we will do the mark the material elements on it. We paint a different color based on its elements. Same material, we use same color. Like this stage of the material, because they are same material, same elements, so we just paint one color, white color. And you can see the other details on it. We mark the size and some other information on the material. Next part, we will see the other material, the round shape material, the pipe. This is the other of our most important material of the amusement rides. You can see the shape is mainly a circle, round shape, right? Also, we will need to do the painting color on it for 35 different materials. You can see now the blue color, green color, and also the yellow color. Different colors stands with different materials. Same color, their material elements are same. Okay, all above are the main material of our amusement ride. Next part, we will introduce you other parts of our amusement. You can see here is our material toilet collection. We have different toilets for different amusement rides. Like this, here's the material list here. Before we install the machine, we will prepare every element of the material, spare parts, into the toilet before we install the machine. And because we make sure all the spare parts are prepared well and we have mark on it, so it can be recognized clearly for each machine.
Now let me introduce you the first part, the production process of the lock till made hardware part. Okay, the first step it is this lathe machine will produce the lock made part of the lock till hardware part in this lathe machine. Just like this. And the second part will go to this milling machine. The milling machine will produce the main shape of it, such as square shape or smaller round shape. This also is the second step to deeper the lock till hardware part. Okay, now let's go to the first machine. This is the wiring cutting machine. The wiring cutting machine will make the whole shape very accurate and detailedly, because some amusement rides require very accurate size of the part. Okay, after that, the last part of it goes to the polish machine. The polish machine will polish the surface of it to be very smoothly and very detailedly. And after that, then we go to the surface production process. Okay, that's all. Now let me introduce you the first step production of the raw material. First goes to the cutting material. Some material such as the plate material will use this machine to cut it to a certain shape. And after cutting the material, here we go to the bending machine. Bend it to the second shape. And after bend the material, some material we need to drill the hole, and we will go to the drilling machine. These several machines are all the drilling machines. After that, the material will have the semi-pass, will become the semi-pass, and we'll go to the next step to do the surface process. Such as this. Okay, that's all. Now let me introduce you another part during the production. It is very important. It is the semi-made part quality test and inspection. The made part quality and function test is not just during when the product is finished. When we produce the whole rice in different production process, we will do the made part quality inspection and function test. We will make the whole part start to rotate and swing to test the function is working fine or not, and do the adjust. And not just do the semi-product function for one time, we do it several times, just now is the semi. And here it is almost finished. Here we also will do the main function test. We'll rotate, we'll swing to test different parts. Function is working fine or not. And for the big rice, we also will do the semi-product quality test and inspection, so the main part. And we will do the test before we do the spray painting, because this you can protect the painting much better. You see the homemade parts, the gear, the motor, and the wiring, the whole rotating structure will have the inspection. And here for the job tower, it is also very important we do the semi-product test and inspection. One big reason it is we need to install the middle metal and the base part to guarantee the vertical line. It is very straight. It is 90 degrees to guarantee the quality of this whole rice. It is very important.
Hello everyone. So now let me introduce you about the rest of two raw materials. One is the section tube. As we can see, after the raw material coming, we were cutting the section tube into different sizes and use this cutting machine. So different products have different requests on the sizes. So the one of the raw materials, the section tubes. And for the second is the steel canner. For this one is the ready-made product. We buy it from the raw material suppliers. So after we buy it and come into the factory, we will display into the according to the same design to display over here. So make the works with more efficiency. So the last is about the welding. After we cutting the section tube and we are ready on the steel canner, we were doing the welding. As we can see here is one of our products. All of our works over here are over 10,000 experience in our industry. So they have a very experienced worker. Then they can keep the quality very high quality. Okay, here is one of our welding process. As we can see here is the circle shape. We will make two irregular circle shape over here to make the welding, then to make the product. As we can see, over here our engineer will to make the welding. So firstly, they have to confirm the positions, then they will go into the process. Very professional works over here to make the high quality products. Okay, so this is the way we are doing the package, which will be provide the best protect for the product. As we can see, the first layer is use the bubble cushion to protect it, which is very high quality. And the outer side is use the film to make the double protection. So we can make sure the products that our customer receive is very high quality and without any scratch. Okay, so for this kind of irregular products, we were adding the wooden frame for the double protection. They can best way to protect the products during the shipment and keep the stable. And this wooden frame is very strong. As we can see, the whole construction is very strong. Yes, and plus the bubble cushion protection, it will be provide the best way for the products.
Okay, now let's come to the electronic wearing stage. As you can see, yes, it is our staff. It is doing the electronic wearing now. As you can see. Yeah, okay. Yes, and in here, as you can see, there are some ready still in here. Yes, it is waiting to do some painting in here. Yeah, as you can see, these one are all the finished constructions which waiting for the dust screen. After do the clean, yes, such as like this, it will to do after to do the rust cleaning, it will be do the electronic wearing again, and then everything ready. Let's see. We will be to do the painting. For the painting, it will be have 5 stages. The first one it will be to do the some oil, that's such as like this. Then now this one is the finished painting. And actually, as the following, it will be like this. Here is the second painting. All machines and all the details, all the materials will be filled up after 5 different paintings before they go out. Okay, as you can see, such as like this. It is the which just finished the first painting. Wait for it is dry, and then we will be arrange the second one. Okay, as you can see, the gray one, such as like this one, the gray one, it is the lady. Yes, it means it is ready to shoot out. As you can see, all of the details. It has a very finish. The finish is very nice painting to forbid to happen the dust. Okay, as you know, all of the equipment and all of the lines will be have the FRP material outside the equipment and outside the seat. Here is one of our mold. What it means? It means such as the seat and such as the shape will be made of mold. Before we before we manufacture the RFT, yes, the material outside. Before we make the outside, and here is one of them, and such as like for me and such as like this. As you can see, all of the design will be made and to do some of the dress, such as to cutting some extras and ready to be the finish and complete mold before we do the outside seat. As you can see, all the seats are very suitable for the body, for the human body. Yes, so the players, when they sit in here, firstly, feel the safety, and secondly, it is very comfortable.
Okay, all above are the details of our amusement rides manufacture and assembly. Have you got it?
Okay, so if you are interested in our amusement rides or if you want to know more details, please contact with us. Okay, everybody,
See you!